Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my first official video of 2021 and I'm just excited to be back in front of the camera with another review for you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Eayon hair. I'll be sure to link all their information down below in my description box. The wig that I have is their human hair headband wig, and it's a jerry curly wig in 18 inches, and this is how she looks. So inside the cap construction of this wig, you do get 3 combs in the front, and these are the traditional kind of style combs, which I definitely prefer. You get 1 in the back as well as adjustable straps, and you get the Velcro headband piece. So this is how she looks straight out of the package. She's looking really good. This is one of my favorite kind of curl textures. I feel like you can't go wrong with this curl texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fluff her out so you guys can see how she looks just big with no product. And then I want to try out this new product that I got that's by Got To Be. It's their Be Twisted Curl Reviver Cream. And it looks like this. Let me smell it. And it smells really good too. So I gotta try her. So we're gonna try her together, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about the product as well. Because y'all have so many curly hair products. But I'm always on the market to try some new ones. This is what you would get. A lot of volume. I love it. Yes. If you don't want to put any product or anything in this wig, you definitely don't have to. You can wear the full look. You know, like shape it, but y'all know I'm kind of like a side part kind of girl, so especially with my curly hair. But yeah, you can do that and shape her like that. Ooh, I'm loving it. Or you can push it all the way back and like wear it off of your face, but still kind of have it like fluffed out. Ooh, yes. Give it to the girls, yes. So cute. Like you could pull it half up. I don't even know. I feel like I don't even want to do all that with this hair. But you definitely could do that. If you wanted to, you can go like a half up, half down style. I feel like this would have been perfect for the holiday seasons. Let's try this headband on with it. I love the way these kind of headbands are made too. Get into these curls, yes. It looks really, really good. I don't have any product in it yet, but she's looking good. Like, hold up, let me get a little bit closer. Yes. So let's try out the Got To Be Twisted. This is definitely the truth, and it doesn't leave the hair like crunchy. It just leaves it really soft and hydrated, and that's definitely what I like to go for. My overall opinion about this wig is everything I thought initially. The curls are everything. Do you guys see how diverse this wig can be? You can straighten it. You can curl it with like a curling iron or a wand curler. You can flexi rod it. You can wear it blown out. You can wear it fluffed out how I had it earlier. Or you can define the curls and get you an entire look. This right here is absolutely gorgeous to me. And y'all know how I am. Let me give you guys a little 360. Y'all know this is me. I love me some curly hair, and this right here is the vibe that I love to give year round. And this is the perfect length for everyday wear. It's Eayon's hair, Jerry curl in 18 inches. I'm gonna say this is one, if you are a curly hair girl or you're just looking to get into curly hair, because this is a more manageable Jerry curl kind of unit. I don't feel like this wig would be high maintenance because it looks so good fluffed out and everything. So I definitely suggest this wig. You guys know the drill. I'm going to link all the information down below in my description box so you guys can check out Eayon hair. I will add a clip somewhere so you guys can see exactly how this wig looks once it air dries. It's not, I didn't even wet it down like too bad, and it's already drying. So, and you can just, you know, scrunch it up, fluff it out to make it a little bit bigger, but the defined curled look is everything for me. Love it. I loved it fluffed out. That was everything as well. Y'all, I'm loving it. Hold on. I had to put on my little basic headband. I believe I got this from Forever 21 like a couple of years ago. It's my favorite throw on and go, I ain't trying headband. So yeah, let me know what you think about this wig down below. Definitely check out Eayon hair. You guys know what to do. Turn on your notifications and leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Whew, baby. She's giving.